Today we are making a delicious, spicy and creamy chicken tikka flatbread that is perfect for lunch, dinner or even a quick weekend treat. It's packed with a bold flavored juicy chicken and a creamy avocado yogurt sauce. Let's start with the chicken marinade. In a bowl, add about a half cup of yogurt. This helps tenderize the chicken and keeps it juicy when cooking. Now add 1 teaspoon of a chili paste. For heat, I am using 600 grams of chicken here. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of a garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of a ginger paste. These two ingredients are the heart of the most Indian marinade. Now we season the marinade with red chili powder for spice color and 1 tsp red chili powder, 1 tsp cumin powder, 1 tsp turmeric powder, 1 tsp Kashmiri chili powder or chipotle pepper powder. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of oil. Mix well. Now add chicken pieces and coat the pieces really well. Don't forget to add salt. This brightens the flavor and helps the marinade penetrate the chicken. Mix everything together really well. Let it marinate for about 30 minutes. While the chicken marinade, let's prepare the creamy avocado yogurt sauce. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of a yogurt, then add fresh chopped cilantro. Next, add 1 teaspoon of a garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of a lemon juice. Season it with salt and little chili flakes for mild heat. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Now add half a cup of a ripe avocado, lightly mashed. The avocado makes the sauce creamy, rich and slightly buttery in texture. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. This sauce is a fresh, tangy and pair perfectly with the spicy chicken. Once the sauce is done, now let's cook the chicken. Heat a pan over medium heat and place the marinade chicken pieces in the pan. Cook the chicken on both sides until it's perfectly cooked and slightly charred. The yogurt marinade creates a beautiful coating and keeps the chicken juicy and tender. Once the chicken is cooked, set aside while we prepare the flatbread. I am using a whole flatbread and now place the whole wheat flatbread on a warm plate. Add a layer of cheese and let it melt slightly. This creates a delicious, beautiful, cheesy base. Once the cheese is melted, now spread a generous layer of the creamy avocado yogurt sauce over the warm flatbread. Next, add the cooked chicken tikka pieces evenly across the flatbread on top. Sprinkle some more cheese on top and allow it to melt again for that irresistible cheesy texture. Completely optional. Now comes the fresh topping that add crunch and color. Once the cheese is melted, add thinly sliced red onion or pickle onion. I am using pickle onion. You can use any regular onion, fresh jalapenos, some shredded red cabbage, chopped tomatoes and finally fresh cilantro. These toppings makes the flatbread vibrant, crunchy, packed with fresh flavors. And that's it. Your spicy creamy chicken tikka flatbread is ready. It's smoky, cheesy, spicy, absolutely loaded with a flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and let me know in the comments what fusion recipe you would like to see next. Enjoy this delicious homemade chicken tikka flatbread. I will see you in my next recipe. Bye.